Here we go, 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 on an adventure.
On a thingamajigger is a thing away.
Go, go, go.
On an adventure, fly with the cat in the hat today.
First ride of the day, Cat in the Hat. Oh, there they are.
They don't.
Hayden, what ride are we fixing to ride?
The cat in the hat.
Are you excited?
Yeah. We're gonna ride the cat in the hat. And I don't know about that. Where is cat in the hat?
Watch, you'll see him, he'll walk by. Look, here he goes, right here. Look, you see him walking through by this window.
We're gonna zoom it in next time he comes through. There he goes. He's gonna be right here.
And then something went bump. How that bump made us jump. We looked, then we saw him step in on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the
Make
hat.
that cat go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out. Why, we can have lots of good fun, if you wish, with a game that I call Up with a Fish. Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat, with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat. Woo! 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 Woo!
Our fish came down too. He fell into a pond.
Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. I will pick up the hook. You will see something new. Two things, and I call them Thing 1
And thing 2.
They are tales. Oh, so tales. They come here to play. Some fun on this wet.
Oh, that's a bright one.
Not in the house.
Said the fish in the pot.
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not. I do not like the way that they play. And mother could see this moment when she said,
I've seen that.
Oh, everything just turned upside.
Spinning around.
on the way home. Do you hear? I saw her. Your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of Thing 1 and Thing 2.
So as fast as I could, I went after my net. I bet with my net, I can get those things yet.
Oh dear.
Got him.
Not like our game. What a shame. Wow, that is so big and so steep and so tall. We cannot pick it up. There's no way to go.
Yeah.
Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat in the hat.
I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us two,
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
should we tell her about it? Now what should we do?